Hey everyone, I'm going to go over your project. So whenever you log into Google Classroom, the first button that you want to click is the Stream button, and you will see this announcement. This announcement is just welcoming you to our Google Classroom class and going over our objectives and goals. Our goal for this lesson is that I can represent three-digit numbers using place value properties, and I've listed your objectives right here. I can explain the following terms: word form, expanded form, standard form, and base 10 models. I can represent three-digit numbers in standard form. I can identify the number of hundreds, tens, and ones in a given three-digit number. I can represent three-digit numbers in expanded form. I can represent three-digit numbers in word form, and I can represent three-digit numbers using base 10 models. So whenever you have read the announcement at the top, then you will click on the Classwork tab to begin your project. And if you have any questions throughout this, I have provided my email address right here for you to contact me. So we're going to click on the Classwork tab to take a look at the activities that you will be completing throughout this lesson. So if you look at the top, whenever you click on the Classwork button, you will see three-digit place value, and then all of your activities are inside this header or topic. The first one is engagement video, so you would click on that one first, and then there are 3 videos for you to watch. You will click on each video. They are interactive, so make sure you answer the questions as you progress through the videos. But if you need to go back and rewatch the videos, that is absolutely okay. The next button is an anchor chart. All that's in there is an anchor chart for you to refer back to throughout the lesson. Then you will get to your first Kahoot. So you will click on this link to complete the Kahoot game. Then you will click on the next one, which is Splash Learn. Now, you will use the link to go to Splash Learn. So if you click right here, it will take you to Splash Learn. You will need the class code and the password, which I provided right there. Then you're going to click on assignments from your teacher, and then you will see the activities that I have for you to do. Make sure you complete all the games that are inside that assignment. After you complete your work on Splash Learn, we will play a Kahoot game. So you will click on this link to play the Kahoot game. Then we will do our class Nearpod. So here's the link for the class Nearpod that we will be completing. And finally, you will complete your final project. So there are 3 different pieces to your final project. This right here is what you will turn into me. It is it's a Google drawing, and then there are some boxes in there for you to complete and fill out using standard form, word form, hundreds, tens, and ones chart, expanded form, and base 10 models. You will pick a 3-digit number, and then you will represent that number using all of those different forms, and you will put them in the appropriate box. There is one for models, and in order to represent that number using models, you will use this website right here. It is the Math Learning Center. You will create that 3-digit number using models on that app, screenshot it, and then you will insert that image in the correct box on your Google drawing. Once you have all of these boxes complete, you will turn this into me, but I also provided you a rubric to see what I'm expecting and how it will be created. Of course, if you have any questions, you can email me.